Hello and good morning, year two. I can't believe we're here again. It's a little bit rubbish, but we're going to try our best with our home learning. And what I'm going to be doing is this booklet is coming out in your work pack, and there's also lots of other work that will support you with your maths and your phonics, and there's also lots of other different things. But the most important thing is that you're keeping safe and you're happy, and I'm just really missing you all, but we're going to get through this again and we'll be back together again like we were last time. And you all did so amazing last time that I just want to talk you through this today. It's not a big job to do today for our English. And then you can get your work packs and get on with that at home if that's okay with you. So we've got this booklet here and it's called Rainbows, Rainbows Everywhere. And what we're going to look at is we're just going to look at rainbows basically. What we're going to look at how they're formed, so there's going to be using a bit of science in there. And I just want you to do something that you're going to really enjoy for the first time, okay? So what I'm going to do now, if you hear any background noise, it's my children because they're at home as well. And they are very, very noisy. So our first part of this is a poem. And the author of this poem is Emma Caulfield. So this is going to be as part of your book. So it says here, what am I? A bridge, a bow, an arch, shining bright in the sky. From sunshine and rain I am. Look up or you'll miss me. So you need to decide what you think this person is talking about. So what you're going to do today is, we all know that a rainbow is a sign of hope, don't we? So throughout this booklet, you're going to be looking at all things for the rainbow, where they come from, and that we'll be seeing them a lot more this year, won't we, everywhere? We've already seen lots last year, people putting them in windows again. I'm imagining that people might start doing them again. But I want you to have a look at this poem today and decide, have a look at any words that you think and what they mean. So do you know what the word arch is? If you don't know what that is, you could look it up and find out what that word arch is. So in your packet, this will say lesson 1. So it's only a very short one today. You could draw your own picture of a rainbow and maybe something that you feel strongly about represents how you're feeling right now with the rainbow in it. Because like you can see on this picture, it's got there's some trains and boats, and there's a plane, some wind turbines as well, and then there's a picture of a rainbow. But you could draw something underneath your own rainbow. It could be absolutely anything. It could be your family, it could be people you're missing. So that's what I want you to do today. You could also pause this video and write this down if you haven't managed to get your work pack yet. You could write this poem down and think about what do we mean by shining bright? What does that mean? Like have a think about what those means. And what do we mean? Look up or you'll miss me. Why? Why might you miss a rainbow? Are they there all the time? Are they there only sometimes? You need to have a think about that, don't you? So that is literally all I want you to do today. I'd like you to write out this poem as neatly as you can on a piece of paper somewhere, and draw a picture to go with it as well, if that's okay with you. Because it says here it's a riddle and it says, what am I? Doesn't it? What am I? And at the end here it's got a question mark, hasn't it? So if we have a little write down of this poem here, do a little picture, and that is all I want you to do today for your English task. You've already got your maths challenge that I've put up there as well for you, and I'm going to also do you a phonics video today as well. Okay, so stay safe, stay happy. I'd like you to make a timetable of a plan of the different things you're going to be doing, and it's very important that when you're doing this booklet that you don't just carry on and do all of them. I've tried to put it on where it says lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3, and each day I'll do a video to go with each of those lessons, okay? So we can have a bit of help. And then if you've got any questions at all, just put them onto WeDuck or email or ring the school office. But yeah, have a lovely day today, and I will be uploading your phonics video as well. Okay, see you later. Bye.